Hey guys, so welcome back to Slime Life, and since I haven't posted in a while, in today's video, stop. In today's video, I'm going to be doing another a slime video, because I haven't, in a while. She's over there making me laugh, but okay. So I haven't posted in a while, so today I'm going to be doing a slime video, and it's going to be me showing you guys my 4 slimes. Yeah. My 4 slimes, so yeah. And if you haven't already, be sure to smash that subscribe button down below, comment down below. Please give this video a big giant thumbs up. I just speared my makeup in. I just speared my makeup in on my hand. But okay. So hold on, let me wait. Okay. So yeah, and be sure to turn on post notifications if you haven't already. Let's get started. And as you guys know, I do not do edits, so yeah. I'm kidding. You want to get in my video, Ash? Look, we had this up for decorations. We had this up for decorations, but it broke. So yeah. So the first slime I'm gonna do is this slime. It is, oh no! I knew I shouldn't have put it in there. God. I'm sorry guys, but today, stop. Okay. It pokes really good, but this is a glitter slime. I have 1 glitter slime, 2 metallic slime, and 1 fluffy slime. And the reason why I said I shouldn't have put it in there was because I put it in this cup, and the bottom of the cup had other slime stuff in it. And it had other slime stuff in it, and it literally just like, yeah. You wanna come get my slime video? I haven't posted in a while. I was doing that because I just wanted to play around, and yeah. But this is a clean counter. I wouldn't be doing slime and stuff on a dirty counter, so. Ooh, big pop. Big pop. So the next slime, and this is what it looks like up close in the glitter. You may not see the glitter, but there is glitter in there. Next slime is one of my metallic slimes. This slime is actually really old. I've had this actually for a while. Like a while now. And it has dried up slime right here, so I'm gonna take it off. Alright, so yeah, this is an actual metallic slime. Like, it's really metallic-y. Well, the other one is an actual metallic slime too. But this one is really, really metallic-y. And it's like really thick. Wait, does this? Maybe not. Next slime. Next time I'm going to do another metallic slime because I want to save my fluffy slime for last. This one isn't as crunchy. It's really metallic-y and really, really stretchy and really, really, really pokey. I'm not going to be on this one long because this one is just, like, it's almost drying out, so that's why I'm just going to, like, poke it a few more times and do that, and then I'm going to just put it away. Alright. And last but not least is my next slime, which is a fluffy slime. I made this earlier. I wouldn't say it's fluffy, but I did make it with shaving cream. I'm very tired. But I did make it with shaving cream. Ow, man. Freaking slime poked me. Man, my stomach hurts now. That's what it was, dummy. I don't know. It's something blue. I think it was part. I think it was part of my other slime. That, like, what? It was a little toy thingy, and I accidentally dropped all of them in my slime, and I maybe forgot one of them. Okay, so that is the end of this video. I hope you liked this video. Make sure you give this video a big giant thumbs up. Love you.